Imagine you're standing at the crossroads of productivity, surrounded by countless apps promising to streamline your workflow. Which one is the right choice? Is Wrike the answer? Today, we're diving deep into the question. Is Wrike free? We'll explore its features, pricing tiers, and whether it's worth the investment. What is Wrike? Wrike is a cloud-based collaboration and project management platform designed to help teams of all sizes organize, manage, and track their work. It offers a wide range of features, including task management, project planning, time tracking, resource management, communication tools, automation capabilities. Is Wrike free? The short answer is no, Wrike is not completely free. However, it does offer a free trial that allows you to test out its features before committing to a paid plan. Wrike pricing tiers. Wrike offers several pricing tiers to cater to different team sizes and needs. Free plan, limited features, suitable for small teams and individuals. Ideal for basic task management and project tracking. Professional plan, more advanced features, suitable for growing teams. Includes features like custom workflows, time tracking, and resource management. Business plan, comprehensive features, suitable for large teams and enterprises. Includes features like advanced reporting, automation, and integrations. Enterprise plan, tailored solutions, suitable for organizations with complex needs. Includes features like custom branding, priority support, and advanced security. Is Wrike worth the cost? Whether Wrike is worth the cost depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a small team or individual looking for basic task management and project tracking, the free plan might be sufficient. However, if you require more advanced features and collaboration tools, the paid plans offer better value. Key factors to consider. Team size. The larger your team, the more features you'll need. Project complexity. If you're working on complex projects with multiple dependencies, Wrike's advanced features can be invaluable. Collaboration needs. If you need to collaborate with team members in real time and share files, Wrike's communication tools are essential. Automation requirements. If you want to automate repetitive tasks and workflows, Wrike's automation capabilities can save you time and effort. Alternatives to Wrike. If you're not convinced that Wrike is the right choice for you, there are several other project management tools available, including Asana, Trello, Monday.com, Basecamp, ClickUp. Wrike is a powerful project management tool that can help teams of all sizes improve their productivity and efficiency. However, it's important to carefully consider your needs and budget before deciding whether it's the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.